Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your bio in the Zello app. And before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Zello app. And here it opens up in the context menu. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap on options, then we tap on profile. And then in the top right corner we have a pencil icon. We tap on that, scroll down, and under the About Me part, we can just type in some important stuff about us, like I don't know, our role in the work environment where we are using Zello, or some interests or whatever. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.